Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by signing into the exact Google account that stores AI Studio activity. Once signed in, open Google AI Studio from your Google Apps list or dashboard. This brings you directly to the place where history is stored. Make sure you have permission to view and manage activity. If you're on a managed or organizational account, get admin clearance first. Once done, locate the profile or settings icon in the top right. Click it to reveal activity, history, and privacy controls so you can proceed. Next, navigate to Settings or Privacy, and then Activity Controls within AI Studio. This is where conversation and analysis records live. Once there, find the AI Studio or Conversation History section and review entries. Timestamps and content snippets help you identify what to remove. You can select individual records to delete or use bulk selection for ranges or all history. Once you choose items, click Delete or Remove and confirm when prompted. Make sure to finish by verifying that deletion's completed. Refresh AI Studio and reopen the history pane to confirm timestamps are gone. You can cross-check on your Google account activity page to ensure records were removed across services. If some items persist, wait a few minutes and refresh again, or clear your browser cache and cookies. Alternatively, try incognito mode or another browser and attempt the deletion once more. If you're on an organizational account, contact your admin. Some history may be retained by policy and require admin action.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.